Now in previous video we learned the complement of a set. Now in this video we see some properties of complements of sets. So for this first we relate these properties with an example. So here we suppose that U is a universal set in which the vowels are there. It means A, E, I, O, U, A, I and I, E is a set of B. Now in this question is that find out A complement, B complement and all this. Total 10 parts are there. So first part is that A complement means what? First we write union A, E, I, O and U, and A is equals to A, I, then what is A complement? It means that E, O and U. Now next this B complement, that is A, I and E are there in B. So we find out A, O and U. Okay. Third part is that find out A union A intersection. A union A complement. Okay. So for that first we find out A. A is what? A and I, and A complement is what? E, O and U. Okay. So what we get? A union A complement. So for this we get A union A complement. We get A, E, I, O and U. Clear? Now next, observe this all very carefully, because after this we relate the properties and some laws are there which depends on this explanation. So next we have to find out A intersection A complement. Okay, so A is equals to, can I solve directly like from this? A intersection A intersection A complement. देखो A में है आपके A I और A complement में है E O U. So in this there is no any common element, and intersection is what? The common elements of two sets only there. So for this there is no common element, so it means it is 5. Sixth part is A union B complement. Okay, sixth part is A union B. Fifth part, okay, sorry, A union B complement. So first we write A set, that is A I, and set B is I E. Okay, so A union B पहले find कर लें. So for this what is A union B? That is A, E and I. Now what is A union B complement? A union B complement is equals to A, E, I भी है तो O and U. This lie in A union B complement. I hope it is clear. Now next part is that A intersection A complement intersection B complement. For this sixth part is this A intersection A complement intersection B complement. So what is A complement? First we write A set, that is A and I. Now A complement is that E, O and U. Now next is B. So B is I and E, and what is B complement? So B complement is A, O and U. Now question is that find out A complement intersection B complement. So A complement intersection B complement means इन दोनों के common elements. इन दोनों के common elements क्या आएंगे आपके? O and U. So in this A complement intersection B complement there is only two elements O and U. Okay. Now seventh is that A intersection B complement. So what is A intersection B? first of all we find out A intersection B. What is A? A is AI and B is IE. So A intersection B is equals to I, because there is only one common element, that is I. So in intersection I, there is only like one element is there. So A intersection B is equals to I. Question is that find out A intersection B complement. So except I, all the elements of U, universal set. So except I, A, E, O and U, this all belongs to in A intersection B complement. Eighth part. Eighth part is that A complement union B complement. Okay, find out A complement. Then remaining 9 and here is 10. 9 is that A is complement of A complement, and 10 is that phi complement. Okay, so for this A complement union B complement. What is A complement? So in sixth part we are already find out the A complement, that is E, O and U. Okay, in sixth part again we already find out B complement, that is A, O and U. So question is that find out the A complement union B complement. So what is the complement? What is the union of this? A, E, O and U. This is the union of A complement and B complement. Okay. Now next is A complement of A complement. So what is set A? First we write out set A. It means that A and I. Now what is U? U is A, E, I, O and U. So therefore first of all we find out A complement, that is E, O and U. So complement of this A complement, that is complement of this complement, means except these three we can take A and I. So this A and I are lie in this complement of A complement. Okay. Now last one is that phi complement. So what is phi complement? Phi means what? There is no element in that. So except this you take all the elements of U. It means A, E, I, O and U. These are total 10 parts given in this question. Now relate these all the parts. Now when you see all these 10 parts, then you find out some properties. What properties? Now see the first part. In first part we are finding the A complement. In second part we are finding the B complement. And in third part we are finding the A union A complement. It means that A union A complement. Whenever you are, if you are finding the complement of a set, and if you are taking the union of a set and its complement, then always you get a universal set. Okay, see what was the universal set? In this question our universal set is A, E, I, O, U. And when you get the union of, when you find the union of A and its complement, then you get the A, E, I, O, U. Means what is this? It's a universal set. So our first property of the complement of set, that is A union A complement, is always equals to U. Okay, that is the first property. Now second, we are finding A intersection A complement. Whenever we find out the intersection, in first case we are finding the union, and in second case we are finding the intersection. Whenever you finding the intersection of a set with its complement, then always we get phi. Okay. Now next is that in fifth part we are finding A union B's complement of A union B. when we find out the A union B's complement, then we get O and U. Okay, and in next part, what we get? See here. In next part, we get third is A union B complement हमने find किया, and in sixth part when we get A complement intersection B complement, then what we get? Again we get same element O and U. Okay, so from fifth and sixth, can we say that from fifth and sixth, can we say that A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement? Okay, from fifth and sixth part. Now similarly, can you say that here, see here, A intersection B is complement, we get A E O U, and here A complement union B complement, we get A E O U. See here, this seventh and eighth part, what we get? Same elements or same set. So can we say that this A intersection B complement is equals to A intersection A complement union B complement? Okay, these two properties are very important. We use this property in next exercise also. So, and these properties are very important. These properties are also known as De Morgan's law. Okay, so in next videos we also learn the proof of this De Morgan's law. Okay, so now in this I explained this all the laws and properties with an example, so it is more clear than that. And this property we already learned from in the above example, like that A complement of A complement. Whenever we find out the complement of a complement set, then always we get the set itself. Okay, so हमें यहाँ पर क्या मिला लास्ट में A, and whenever we find the phi's complement, then always we get U. So that is our last property, that phi complement is equals to U. So fifth property is that A's complement of complement, that is A, and the sixth property is phi complement, then we get always U. So these all are the properties which depends on the complement of a set. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now next, you all have to solve the next exercise 1.5. In next video we see the whole exercise 1.5. Thank you so much.